हे गाइस, आज हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे विथ अनदर रेपर्टरी दैट इज कैंट्स रेपर्टरी. अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रेपर्टरी, repeatedly asked in the full question. Let's start. Name. The full name is Kant's Repertory of Homoeopathic Materia Medica. The author Dr. James Taylor Kant. Editions. First and second edition was published by Kant. After third onwards, these editions are published after the death of the Dr. Kant. The first and second edition published by Dr. Kant. First edition was published in 1897, second 1910, third 1924, fourth edition in 1935, fifth edition 1945, sixth edition 1957, and Indian edition was published in 1961. The seventh edition 1974 and also known final general repertory. The specifications of the repertories are total pages 1423, total chapters 37, remedies 628, and largest chapter is extremities. Sources of the Kant repertory. First, repertory of Antisoric, BTPB, Jar's repertory, Lippi's repertory, Minton's Suetudine Therapeutics, Bigler's diary, Allen's symptom register. Philosophical background. This repertory is based on deductive logic. Symptoms are from generals to particular. The gradation. Three main gradations are given. First is bold, carries 3 marks and first grade. Second is italic, carries 2 marks and second grade. And third is ordinary Roman, 1 marks and third grade. Now the criteria for a gradation. The first grade. In the first grade, the majority of the provers have given confirmed by reproving and verified on sick. Second grade, symptoms is proved by very few prover, but also confirmed by reproving and occasionally verified. The third grade symptoms, the symptoms that only show up in the person in the once in a while and don't appear again when test repeated. Third grade symptoms verified by curing the patient. Now, plan and construction. In Kant's repertory, plan is followed throughout general to particular. The chapters start with the mind and which has given prime importance. The last chapter is generalities and also contain physical modalities. The rest of the chapters based on anatomical division followed by functions or discharges. These are altogether 33 chapters. The urinary chapter have 5 divisions, so the total number of the chapter is 37. Anatomical parts. Head contains forehead, occiput, temples, vertex, brain and meninges. Throat contains esophagus, pharynx, tonsils. External throat contains anterior neck such as goiter glands, torticollis. Chest contains lungs, heart, sternum, mammary gland, axilla, diaphragm, clavicle. Back contains cervical, dorsal, lumbar, sacral, coccyx and spine. Abdomen, hypogastrium, iliac, inguinal region, liver, umbilicus, spleen, etc. And rectum contains anus and perineum. Discharge such as stool, perspiration, urine, expectoration are given in the separate chapters. Vertigo, cough, chills, fever, vision, hearing given in the separate chapters. Okay, here the chapters of the Kant is mentioned. First is mind, then vertigo, head, eye, vision, ear, hearing, nose, face, mouth, teeth, throat, external throat, stomach, abdomen, rectum, stool, bladder, kidneys, prostate, urethra, urine, genitalia male, genitalia female, larynx and trachea, respiration, cough, expectoration, taste, back, extremities, sleep, chill, fever, perspiration, skin, generalities. Now the arrangement of the rubrics. All rubrics are arranged alphabetically. Rubrics are arranged from generals to particular, as the Kent repertory is based on deductive logic. A rubric starts with the general symptom and following by site, time, modality and extension. This is very important. Site, time, modality and extension. Every rubric are arranged in this format: site, time, modality and extension. General rubric again followed by sub-rubric. Whatever rubric divided into side, firstly divide into right side and then left. जो rubric side में divide होते हैं उसमें first right side mention होगी and then left. Some rubric where side cannot be given, time immediately follow general rubric. Now time. The daytime, morning, forenoon, noon, afternoon, evening, twilight, night and midnight are mentioned. Modalities, elements from, alternating with, modifying factor, aggravation and amelioration are mentioned. Extension. This is the last sub-rubric and found mainly under pain rubric. Dr. Kent used two types of cross references. First is synonym. Main rubric contains synonym in the bracket without giving any medicine against it. And second, the main rubric contains similar words also contain group of the remedies. They draw our attention towards the similar rubric. Okay, I have mentioned 2 pages to describe this cross reference at the last. We understand it again at the last. Now, special features of the repertory. First is philosophy. It is based on general to particular approach. Same principle also used in arrangement of rubrics. Number of medicines. It contains 648 medicine in index. Some consider only 591 medicine in use. It is more than therapeutic pocket book and Boger's repertory. According to Dr. R.P. Patel, 657 medicines are mentioned in the Kent repertory. Gradation of the remedies. 3 gradations, simple and more practical. Unlike Boger and Boning-Hussain. Boger and Boning-Hussain are give 5 type of gradation, but the Kent's gradation is more practical than the Boger and Boning-Hussain. Mind section contains the many rubrics and sub-rubrics, includes the qualified symptoms and very useful for the repertorization. Now the generalities section. Generalities section is very large and well elaborated and it contains the general modalities and some clinical conditions. Coverage of the symptoms. It covers particular and general all type of the symptoms. Hence, less need to refer other repertories. Arrangement of the sub-rubrics. Also in alphabetical arrangement includes children specific sub-rubrics. It's help in narrowing the remedy selection. For example, irritability, children in, restlessness, children in. Disadvantages of the Kent repertory. Medicine under sub-rubrics is not always present in main rubrics. This is a disadvantage. Though Kent criticized the therapeutic pocket book, he also used a similar method. It contains many clinical rubrics and not useful for the true repertorization. Extremities chapter is very large but least useful. Many similar rubrics, confusion for the beginners. Same meaning rubrics appear at different places with slight drug variation. General modalities sometimes wrongly placed in the particular sections. Some remedies are not well represented. For example, nosodes and sarcodes. Over generalization of the mind section and over particularization of the extremities section. Some mental rubrics have single remedy which is not more useful. Now this is for the cross reference. See here abandoned and see 4 second. यहाँ पे कोई ग्रुप ऑफ मेडिसिन नहीं दी गई है बट हम जब 4 सेकंड वाले सेक्शन में जाएंगे 4 सेकंड वाला रूब्रिक हम देखेंगे, वहाँ पे हमें ग्रुप ऑफ रेमेडीज़ देखने को मिलेगी. दिस इज़ द सिनोनिम टाइप. सी हियर ऑल्सो. This is the second type. This is the second type. See more. Yeah. Here is a one rubric, and in the bracket we can get the references and also get the group of the remedies. This is all about the cross reference. And